T-Mobile has started staking Ethereum. T-Mobile, their parent company, launches an Ethereum validator and is even allowing staking support for their clients. How much money can you make staking Ethereum? Let's talk about it. Theta, a video distribution cryptocurrency, has just successfully went through an upgrade. They have an even bigger upgrade coming at the end of December. I'm going to clue you in as to what comes next for Theta. So much Bitcoin just continues to leave exchanges. The DOJ says Celsius withdrawals must remain closed. I'm going to tell you why. Solana suffering another major outage. Binance expanding to another country. And Cardano, now that the Vasil upgrade has went live, how much better is the Cardano blockchain? I'm going to tell you. Welcome back, everybody, to Altcoin Daily. You subscribe for daily videos, keeping you informed on the entire cryptocurrency space. Check the timestamps below. Do me a favor, tap the like button, and let's get into it. T-Mobile, their parent company, launches an Ethereum validator and staking support. The telecommunications giant will allow customers to get involved in staking Ethereum. Interesting. So the German company said Thursday that its T-Systems multimedia solution, MMS, division is working with proof-of-stake app and DAO Stakewise to operate a pool, allowing customers to take part in validating transactions without having to run a validator themselves. If you're unfamiliar, Ethereum earlier this month moved over to proof-of-stake in a long-anticipated transition known as the merge. The switch makes the cryptocurrency far more energy efficient by eliminating the need for miners and replacing them with validators. Quote from the head of blockchain solutions at T-Systems, "As a node operator, our entry into liquid staking and the close collaboration with the DAO is a novelty for Deutsche Telekom." Liquid staking, if you're unfamiliar, refers to the service of giving your funds to a third party to stake, pledging assets to the network for a given period of time, and in return receiving another token that can be used elsewhere. Deutsche Telekom believes liquid staking via their new service will attract customers because it, like other services such as Lido, saves their customers the hassle of having to set up a validator node, and it's cheaper for them as well. The fact that T-Mobile, in fact the parent company of T-Mobile, one of the biggest telecommunications companies in the game, is staking Ethereum and allowing their customers to stake Ethereum, this is huge. So, how much money can you make staking Ethereum? Want to calculate how much ETH you can earn staking? Check out this chart that shows projected staking yields based on the amount of Ethereum staked. So it depends how popular staking Ethereum is. If there's only 1 million ETH staked, the real staking yield you can get, almost 70%, which would be huge. But obviously, it seems like staking Ethereum is going to be popular. So let's say 100 million Ethereum are staked. Well, then you'd get an issuance of 3.3%. Seems more reasonable. Anyways, wanted you to have this info moving forward. Anyone in our audience holding Theta? Perhaps you're looking forward to their big update in December, and maybe you know about the upgrade they just had. Theta upgrade goes live to support wTHETA, wrapped Theta, as TNT20 token. Theta Labs, Theta, successfully deployed the Theta version 3.4 upgrade. This upgrade was key for the launch of Theta Metachain, which is expected to happen in December 2022. Theta Metachain, their mainnet. This new version allows the wTHETA to be transferred to MetaMask wallets and other smart contracts. Obviously, you can see how this is a big deal. It also makes it possible to stake Theta and T-Fuel, Theta Fuel, to Guardian nodes and the Elite Edge nodes through smart contracts. Now, if you're unfamiliar, what exactly is Theta? How have they gotten to this point? Let me refresh your memory. Theta Labs is a blockchain-based video distribution platform with a significant NFT community that includes names like Katy Perry and Sony. The protocol has been expanding its partner ecosystem since the beginning of the year. Popular show American Idol partnered up with Theta Labs back in August 2021 to launch real-time NFTs that represent each of the contestants at the time. In June 2022, Resorts World Las Vegas joined Theta's partner network to launch 2 NFT collections that offer luxury experiences at the venue. A month later, in August 2022, Samsung and Fuse Media partnered up with the project, Samsung agreeing with Theta to use its protocol to launch its Galaxy NFTs, and Fuse Media also agreed to work with Theta to launch the Theta metachain. December 2022, subscribe to the channel. We'll keep you updated on this as new information develops. Crypto gaming will bring 100 million people into Web3. Agree with this? Disagree with this? This is from Framework Ventures co-founder. The ongoing crypto winter is the best time to build and invest, according to San Francisco venture firm Framework Ventures. 100 million will enter Web3 through gaming. Why? Why is Web3 so much better than Web2, which was better than Web1? Well, Web3 users expect more from their dApps. They expect verifiable truth that they can verify. Immutability cannot be changed. And user-owned data. They want to own it. This innovative computer paradigm is setting a new standard for digital relationships, a standard where users can read, write, and truly own their Web3 experience. And everybody is jumping on board. As you know, Facebook, Instagram has enabled NFTs for all US users in actually 100 additional countries. Huge. Bitcoin, so much more popular today, just in the last 2-3 years, than it was in its previous 10. This chart only goes back to July 2017, but this looks just the same since Bitcoin's inception. And the fact is, there was a pivot point for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency in 2020. 777,000 Bitcoin have been net removed from exchanges since March 2020. Before March 2020, the exchange Bitcoin balance was macro increasing, people sending their Bitcoin to exchanges throughout Bitcoin's history. An interesting trend to watch over the coming years. There's only so much Bitcoin, people are starting to realize. Africa certainly starting to realize that Bitcoin and crypto are the future. Africa leads the world in peer-to-peer Bitcoin adoption. Awesome. Do you have money in Celsius still? You probably want to withdraw that money, of course. Well, we're still waiting for that to happen. Celsius withdrawals must remain closed according to the Department of Justice. A U.S. trustee at the Department of Justice has objected to Celsius's plans to reopen withdrawals, arguing that there is still extensive investigations to complete before distributing any funds. The key takeaways: on September 1st, Celsius filed for court approval to release $225 million of locked funds to creditors. Now, U.S. trustee William K. Harrington has filed an objection to that request and called it a bit premature. Harrington says that funds should not be distributed until it is known what Celsius owes and to whom. We wait, we watch, we subscribe. We'll continue to keep you updated. Ethereum killer Solana. Solana suffers another major outage. The popular blockchain, has suffered a handful of outages and transaction stops this year, including a string of partial outages in January. A misconfigured node caused the Solana network to stop processing transactions and go offline on Friday, the fourth major outage for the popular blockchain since January, when it had a string of partial outages for most of that month. This outage comes 1 year after a nearly 18-hour outage last September. Meanwhile, the crushing crypto winter has sent Sol, the number 9 coin by market cap, down 81% in 2022. Hey, if Solana wants to truly be an Ethereum killer, it's going to need to stay online. In the short and midterm, though, it seems that people just kind of expect Solana to do this. Eventually, as this industry grows, if Solana wants to grow with it, it needs to not go through this. Binance leading the way. Binance expands cryptocurrency trading operations to Pacific Ocean country of 5 million people. Binance, the largest digital exchange by trading volume, is opening its doors to serve crypto enthusiasts residing in an island country located in the Pacific Ocean. According to a new blog post, the exchange says it has successfully registered as a financial service provider in New Zealand and officially launched Binance New Zealand. Binance can now offer country residents spot trading NFT trading and staking, among other things. CZ, the CEO, says New Zealand is an exciting market with a strong history of fintech innovation, and our team of Binanceans in New Zealand are working hard to bring freedom of crypto to Kiwis. Of course, New Zealand, this is just one of the many countries Binance is getting into. Spain, France, Italy, Europe, and this is just Binance, guys. Cryptocurrency. There's a fight for market share and building right now. You can see what's happening. Cardano. If you hold Cardano, comment that fact below so I can see who in our audience is a Cardano holder. And let's check in on the network. As you know, Cardano just had a big upgrade. The Vasil upgrade, highly touted, highly anticipated. Has it affected the Cardano network for the better? Cardano's Vasil hard fork has had a dramatic impact on the network's efficiency, according to a decentralized exchange, DEX. Musili Swap, a DEX built for Cardano, says the upgrade has reduced transaction sizes from 14 kilobytes to 1.3 kilobytes and gas fees from 1.4 ADA to 0.7 ADA. Cardano creator Charles Hoskinson touts the numbers quoted by the exchange, 10x savings on space at half the cost. I call that innovation. The Vasil hard fork was designed to increase scalability of the Cardano network. It went live September 22nd. The Vasil upgrade is bringing significant performance and capability enhancements to Cardano, from higher throughput capabilities via diffusion pipeline to a better developer experience with much improved script performance, efficiency, and lower costs, and it seems to be working from the people who use it. Subscribe to the channel, daily crypto news, like the video if you got value. See you tomorrow.